He's a train killer. Okay? Show business is the cutthroat industry. I just thought maybe you could look back over your long career and think maybe if there's one song that sort of speaks to the occasion, you could.
One bad apple?
Sure, buddy. If that's all you've got.
I've got a song.
Oh, he's got a song!
I've got a song.
What's the song?
Puppy Love.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Donny Osmond!
Go for it. Here we go. And they called it. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Look at his eyes, Donny. Look at his eyes.
Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart really feels and why I love you so. And they called it purple love just because we're in our teens. Puffles are shaking.
It's a chihuahua, they're all vibrating very constantly.
How can I tell them this is not a pup? Will Puffles let me pick her?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I cry each night, my tears for you, my tears are all in vain. My career has come to this. I hope and I pray that maybe someday you'll be back in my arms once again. This is appropriate. Someone help me. Help me, please. Is the answer up above? How can I tell them this is not a puppy love?